Hi everyone, Chris here with Parenting Autism Podcast and ParentingAutismShow.com. I wanted to reach out today to show you the Dave Ramsey Financial Peace Jr. This is the Adventure Pack. And this all came about when we were having a discussion on Facebook about teaching our 6-year-old son who has autism about money. And in his kindergarten curriculum, we're homeschooling. We started talking about coins and money, penny, dime, nickel, quarter stuff, and how much they were worth. And somebody suggested, hey, you ought to try Dave Ramsey's Financial Peace Jr. And my initial reaction was that my son being 6, this is probably going to be way over his head because Sandy and I went through Financial Peace with Dave Ramsey, and it was for adults and paying bills and all that stuff. So it was hard for me to imagine how this could benefit my son. And after looking at the contents online, I thought, yes, this could be really good for him because it comes with books and pouches for saving and giving and a chore chart where he can make money doing chores. So we've got the box that came in the mail here, and we're going to open it and see what we got. So I'm very excited, and here we go.
And I'm behind the scenes, so I may chime in from time to time. Hi, I'm Sandy.
Yeah, Sandy is our camera person today. So here's our invoice. So right now it's on sale for $54.99 with free shipping. Regularly, I want to say $124. So not sure if it'll be on sale when you're seeing this, but we have packaging. Okay, so the first thing that comes out is a Smart Saver Bank. Okay, so it looks like a triangular bank that has the saving, spending, giving on it. So let's first open that up and see what this looks like. It's packaged very nicely and neatly, so I'll try to be careful opening.
So I'm just going to chime in and say that when you were telling me about this, I thought one really good reason that this would be good for Bryce right now is go ahead. So anyway, we're used to loud noises in our home. It's all good.
Yeah. Packaged very well. Okay.
But what I was going to say is that pretty much every day, Bryce wants to buy a new game or another level on his video games, and we've got him to where he understands that that it costs money. Don't know that he knows the true concept, except that we have him take money out of his bank so he can actually visually see that money comes out of his bank to purchase these games, and if he doesn't have enough money, he can't get one. But he also likes to do a lot of things around the house with us, including laundry and sweeping, and he likes that kind of stuff. So
he likes to bring the trash cans
He
out.
does. So I love the idea that he can start to earn money for these different chores, we can call them, earn that money to buy his games, and I think he's going to be able to grasp those concepts, and to be able to teach him that at this age will be a beautiful thing.
Okay, so inside this box we have the Smart Saver Bank Quick Start Guide, and it says spend, save, and give. Teach your children to plan for short-term spending like a toy, candy, or video game. That money goes in the spend section. And then teach your children to save money over a longer period for major items like a bike, car, or college. That money goes in the save section. And last but not least, teach your children to be generous by giving at least 10% of their commission money to your church or another charity. That money goes in the give section. Okay, and then it's got some more info on the back, and it looks easy enough. You got the plugs on the bottom like a piggy bank, and the top for your coins or dollar bills, so that's very nice.
That's great.
And let's see what's next. All right, so next is the book set. Storytime book set by Dave Ramsey. Teaching Kids How to Win with Money.
What are those titles, honey?
The titles are The Super Red Racer, The Big Birthday Surprise, My Fantastic Field Trip, Careless at the Carnival, The Big Payoff, Battle of Chores.
Cute.
So, I'm sure all of these have something to do with money.
Okay.
Should I go through them? Maybe I'll just open the first one.
Maybe just one.
Yeah.
And the good news is Bryce is finally taking interest in books.
Mm-hmm.
So hopefully he'll take to these books.
All right. The Super Red Racer.
Oh, he'll like that one because A, it has a bicycle on it with the helmet that he just learned to ride with his helmet. And B, it's on the ranch with the horse and he's taking equine therapy and he'll relate to the horse.
All right. Okay. Super Red Racer. Okay.
All right. It's a lot of words, so you'll have
That is
to.
a lot of words, so it's not like the books.
You'll
that he's
bullet
reading
point
now.
it for me. Yeah, exactly.
All right.
But lots of good pictures,
Looks
and
like
you
it
can
talks about
definitely
saving. Yep.
get the gist of it.
Very good.
And he'll grow into these books to read them all, you know,
I like
at
the
some
graphics
point.
and everything. It's very nicely laid out.
I agree.
Simple to read for us moms and dads.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and the last package in the box is Financial Peace Junior Adventures, teaching kids how to win with money. And it says on the front, free Smart Money, Smart Kids video lessons and ebook. So there
And what's the ages on there? Down at the bottom?
says ages 3 to 12.
3 to 12.
And so you'll probably go online. There'll probably be something inside here about going online to get the free video lessons and the ebook. So, okay. All right, here we go. First, the step-by-step guide. Read the parent guide. Sit down with your child. Introduce the chore chart. Set a payday. Have fun with your child. So this is going to be fun. Okay, so it gives us a code for the free video and guide online on the back there.
Bryce will like the payday, which we should probably make on Sundays, because that's the day that we tell him that he gets to purchase
And he can go to
a
church
new game.
too,
And he
do
can
his
also
tithing.
give at the church. Yeah, that would be good.
So we got these little envelopes with little paper in them that can go. So we got give, save, and spend. And let's see. Here is our chore chart. Dry erase marker. And this is magnetic, so it can go on the fridge.
Nice.
What the chore is, the value of the chore, and which day they did it. And we can put his name up here and what week it is. What's he saving for, how much the cost is for what he's saving for, and the current amount saved.
Bryce is such a visual learner that this will be a beautiful tool for him.
Yes, so it also comes with these categories. If you don't want to use the marker, you can use one of these magnetic
Perfect.
categories. Put away backpack, trash to curb, do homework, clean bathroom, clean bedroom, put away clothes, make dinner, help make dinner, empty trash,
You
feed
can
the
read 'em.
pets, fold laundry. This is awesome. This is terrific. This
I
is one of my
agree.
favorite parts. I'm sure the books are going to be great too. So, okay, so here's the parent guide, and I'm sure this goes through about the chores, what we teach, age-appropriate chores. Oh, that's going to be helpful. Spending, saving, and it gives you the different age groups.
And I just want to say, like, in our situation, Bryce is 6, but with his delayed development, he's not age 6, maybe as listed in that book. So just
Mm-hmm.
know your child, and when you read it, you'll know which category they fall into, just depending on where they're at in their learning and their comprehension.
Okay, next is Junior's activity book. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so this is kind of all about doing chores
It's like a coloring
and some
book.
puzzles,
Yep.
coloring,
And activities.
and this is nice. Lesson 2, spending. So there's a lesson, and then you get to color about it.
It's kind of like a workbook for
Mhm.
the kids.
Daddy's doing Mommy's tour.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah, I'm
He's
doing-
teaching Mommy.
I'm teaching Mommy.
Huh? We got some new stuff for you, buddy. You want to go see it?
The astronaut.
Yeah, I
know
wanna
you
be an
wanna
astronaut, too.
So we got to teach you about money if you want to be an astronaut. So here's some cool stickers. And okay, so I guess each lesson that you do, you put a sticker in there.
Mission accomplished.
And then when the page is full, I guess you graduate.
I love it.
So there you have it. This is the Financial Peace Junior Adventure Pack. So there's 2 different types of things. There's the Financial Peace Junior, which comes with a couple of these things, and then there's the Adventure Pack, which includes those couple of things plus additional items that you see here. So I don't know, I can't remember exactly what just came in the Financial Peace Junior, but you can see everything we got in the Adventure Pack. I think it's going to be great for Bryce, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, comment below. Talk to you later.